Hi guys, today I'm gonna use our GlowLit RF tool. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it a little bit. So I start off with my morning, clean face, I washed it a little bit, and then I put on the microcurrent gel. You have to have a conductive gel or something to really have the tool grip onto. Turn it on easy, press this button. It's on RF for setting. I like to go 4 settings up, 4 levels. You can start on level 1 and work your way up. So I'm gonna go in. It's really important to use circular motions to really feel it. You'll feel it heat up as you work through your face, warming up the collagen, really waking everything up. This feels so good. Next, I love to go in with the MFIP setting. Ooh, you see that? Muscle contraction. As you'll see, sometimes I do circular and then sometimes I'll glide up. I really want to focus on these areas right here, the smile line, to really stimulate the muscle right here. How lifted it is compared to the other one. Next, EMS, electrical muscle stimulation setting. I love this one. You'll feel like a little tingle. You see my face is getting a little red just from all the stimulation and working out the face. This tool really has it all. It is really taken over my vanity because it's an all-in-one. You have LED, you have RF, you have EMS, MFIP, your vibrational massage setting. Next is going with the LED. There's an option so you can do it like that where it alternates. And you have the blue light where it's stagnant, the green light stagnant, red light stagnant. If you go to level 4, that's when it starts alternating different lights. So really, whatever your preference is, I like to do spot treatments on the LED. Really go over and focus on key areas on my face with the red light anti-aging. Next, the vibration. I love to also do this behind, near my lips, right here, to kind of get that activated. Finally, I love to finish off again with the RF. Going in circles, as you see, using a little bit of grip. I highly recommend the microcurrent gel to work it in with. Thank you guys for following along. And voila, snatched and ready.